All right, great. Welcome back. So what we're going to talk about in this particular video is the individual franchise agreement. Now, this is a short video because this is the easiest to understand of the franchise arrangements. Now, I'm going to draw on the board over on this side, and I hope you can see me. You have a franchisor okay, i.e. Ronald McDonald, Wendy, whatever, the owner of the trademark product, etc., who makes a single agreement with a single franchisee. Okay? Now, this line that we've got here is the individual franchise agreement. That means that franchisor allows a single franchisee to operate a single location. Okay? So to use an example, one of my students has an Italian ice franchise. And from what I understood from him, the franchisor has told him, you, my friend, can operate a single location to sell my products and use my trademark. And you can do it at this one location only. Okay? Now, the franchisor is free to make additional individual franchise arrangements. And once again, we have another individual franchise agreement. So the franchisor can make as many as he or she wishes. But from an agreement perspective, that is the individual franchise agreement. Very easy to understand. It's kind of an implied one-to-one, even though the franchisor can make multiple one-to-one arrangements. You normally see this with very small franchises. Again, like an Italian ice franchise, it's not that big of a thing yet. Okay, so it's still pretty small. This is the individual franchise agreement. Great. So in our next video, we're going to talk about an area franchise agreement. Looking forward to seeing you then. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Post any comments if you have any questions. Great. I'll see you then.